to make money in 2025 using the biblical principles. 2025 is here. The world is changing, but one truth remains. God still gives power to get wealth. While many chase trends and quick money, we are choosing a different path. One built on prayer, purposes, and provision. So how do you make money in 2025 God's way? Let's talk about 5 biblical principles that attract godly wealth. Number 1, ask God for wisdom. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. Number 2, use your gifts. Your gifts will make room for you. What's in your hands? Your creativity, your voice, your skills. These are seeds for wealth. Number 3, solve problems. Money follows services. Ask yourself, problem can I solve today with my God-given ability? Number 4, embrace new tools. Online income is a blessing when used with integrity. Start the YouTube channel. Write e-books. Launch that digital service. Move with strategy and prayer. Number 5, pray before you move. Don't rush what God built last. Pray before you plan. Wait before you launch. Prosperity is not rushed. It's revealed. Pray, plan, and prosper. That's the way. In 2025, align your money moves with heaven. God doesn't just want you rich. He wants you righteous. If this encouraged you, like, share, and subscribe for more godly content. Let's grow together Godly way.